Hi, today we're going to look into Fitness Studio expenses tracker and we can understand how you can keep track of all the expenses related to Fitness Studio. So let me quickly turn off my webcam so that you get a complete view of the screen. And now let me jump onto the Fitness Studio expense tracker. So this is the template where you can keep track of all of your Fitness Studio expenses. So first of all, we have got a category section which has all the different categories of expenses which are going to incur for a fitness studio. And then we have a summary section. Under the summary, we have the total budgeted expense that was set, the total actual expenses incurred, difference in between the both, and the percentage of actual expenses incurred so far. Under the category section, you can click on this pencil icon and you can define a new category for a use case, whatever might be the category. And under the budgeted expense, you can set the budgeted expense as per your own requirement. Okay. As you change all these figures, everything gets updated and the percentage values as well. And if you scroll down, you can see that there's a table over here where you can define all the expenses. As we change the category, it got also updated over here. So it is linked both ways. And you can enter the particular expense value over here, which will calculate the expense amount for your use case. Okay. So you can take help of this particular table to define all the expenses whatever is required for your business, and you can update all the categories as and when you require by using this pencil icon on the top. You can also delete a particular category clicking on this three dot, and you can click on delete to delete the particular category. Or if you want to add a new category, simply click on this new page and it will automatically add a new category for your requirement. Now let me undo the changes so that we get the previous category and the previous amounts. So this is how you can take help of this template to keep track of all the expenses related to a fitness studio. If you need any customization for this, feel free to reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com, and I'll be happy to assist you on this further. Thank you. Bye bye.